Thunder Bay police remain tight-lipped regarding the murder investigation of a woman on the city's north side. Police say they are following up on several tips as the investigation continues. Shannon Ashley Marie Hogan was the victim of what police are calling a very violent homicide a little over a week ago behind a residence on Lake Street. Since the incident, police say as many as 20 tips are being followed up on. A postmortem has been completed, but the cause of death is being withheld. Investigators aren't releasing the information, calling it crucial evidence. Police spokesperson Chris Adams says they have yet to uncover a motive, but circumstances surrounding the crime are becoming clearer.
We do have a pretty good indication of most of what was going on leading up to it, but obviously what exactly led to this very violent homicide, that still remains under investigation. There was evidence collected at the scene that's still being examined.
Adams reminds people to be conscious of their surroundings when out at night and to walk in well-lit areas. Meanwhile, a special tip line remains in effect. You can call 684-1330 or Crime Stoppers.